Hello guys. Today I will show you how to make music like Mike Williams. Let's start. First, we need a bouncy melody. Perfect, we can use this melody. Well, let's start with leads. I use Vital. I created a sample presets. I add distortion, compression and EQ. I used two of the same preset. And I add silent one plug. Same as Vital presets, but this fits Serum. Together. Perfect, this sounds very good. Let's look at the chords now. I use two presets. Together. Perfect. I also added real piano board to make it sound better. Let's look at the bass. I added various effects to make it sound better. Bass very good with effects. I use three presets. Together. I added growls to make it more full. I added reverse leads and white noise. Let's look at the drum beat elements. Kicks, drop claps, pre-shift claps, normal claps, impact, white noise stab, brass, chopped white noise, volume automation white noise. Let's look at the final result. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Free FLP in description.